Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Amazing Life, and this is the birthday card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Amazing Life, and we're going to be using this birthday cake, and life's too short to say no to cake, and the happy birthday sentiment. And this one is retiring, so you might want to put it on your list. I'm going to start with the big shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have the Stitch rectangle shape framelits. And then I have a piece of Lovely Lipstick. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to get the center, because that's actually the mat for our card. So let's run this through. All right, and we'll put this out of the way. Now remember, you can save this frame for another project. All right, so let's start with our stamping. I have Lovely Lipstick. And then first I'm going to come in with the Life's Too Short to Say No to Cake, and that's mounted on clear block D. All right, so just like that. And I'm going to come in with the Lemon Lime Twist. And this is an in color that is also leaving us. So I have the birthday cake, and I'm just going to put it right here. And while we have our stamp pad out, put up the Lemon Lime Twist. We have the Happy Birthday mounted on clear block G, and we're going to ink that up in the Lovely Lipstick as well. So just like that. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm going to go ahead and use these little corner pieces here. So I have that mounted on clear block B. All right, so that dressed it up a whole lot more than what it was. It kind of looked a little plain. All right, so let's put this aside. And now I have a piece from the Broadway something or another. I forgot what the name was, so I will put it on the screen here. I'm going to get my snail. And we're going to use this frame as our mat. I ran out of adhesive. Alright, so let's make sure we have it the right way. try one more time. All right, we'll put that down. Next, I have a piece of the mini ruffled ribbon, and this is lemon lime twist. And so I'm just going to cut that. And then I also have a piece of the lovely lipstick, the grosgrain ribbon, and it fits so nicely in the middle. So let's get that. We'll put it together on one end. All right, and then I'm just going to come in with some regular tape. So just like that, let me straighten it up a little bit. Okay, and I got my snail. All right, so just like that. And then next, I just want to come in and color in cake. And this is the in color markers. All right, so just like that. And then we're gonna put this guy on the back of our lovely lipstick. And nobody ever will know that this is from that center. You want to get the most for your products, you know? All right, so let's put some Stampin' Dimensionals. You know what, I'm going to move this one up there. All right, and I'm making this for one of my teammates' birthdays. So I hope she likes it. All right, and I think what I'm going to do is bring in some rhinestones. I haven't used rhinestones in a while, so. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!